Hi, my name is Ivya Minor, and I'm the president of ASMC, the student government at Monmouth College. This summer, we've been extremely busy collaborating with intercultural life, counseling services, and student life. This summer, we've also put together a student forum to talk about the Return to Campus plan, as well as talk about police brutality in communities of color. This semester, we have a few programs that we think you'll love. One of them is a student-led grief and survivor support group that's supposed to help Scots have tough conversations in a supportive atmosphere. If you want to learn more about what ASMC is up to, follow us on Twitter or Snapchat. Our Twitter is ASMC MoCo. Our Snapchat is ASMC_MoCo. MoCo is spelled M-O-C-O. I really can't wait to meet you guys in the fall. Roll, Scots.
Hi, my name is Brenda Matthias Cruz. I am a senior at Monmouth College and the vice president of ASMC. This summer, we've collaborated with Intercultural Life, Student Affairs, and Counseling Services. We've organized 2 student forums about COVID-19 and social unrest due to police brutality in communities of color. And this fall, we're working on organizing a student-led grief and survivor support group for our fellow Scots to have those difficult conversations in a supportive atmosphere. And we look forward to seeing you all in the fall. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and Instagram at ASMC MoCo. And see you in the fall, Scots. Bye!
Hi, my name is Shyla Solis and I am ASMC's treasurer this year. What I love about Monmouth is meeting the surrounding people in the community and the students that it caters to. Monmouth was the first exposure I had to a small community, but I was pleasantly surprised by how banded together and strong a community could be, especially because of the student body. The people that you meet here stick with you through every hardship that you face, and you really know what it's like to have your achievements in the spotlight, which is incredibly beneficial for you in your own growth.
Hello, my name is Nissana Komboka and I'm the Political Communications Chair of the ASMC. I love Monmouth's small student population because it lets us become very familiar with so many intelligent, artistic, cheerful, and amicable individuals. Monmouth creates a space for all of us to interact with each other, such as lecture rooms, extracurricular activities, sports events, and so many others. Here, we find family away from family.
Hi, I am Izzy Valdez. I am a junior at Monmouth College this year and also the new clerk for ASMC. I love Monmouth because of the small-knit community there is, but also with that small-knit community, you're able to join various clubs, organizations, and sports. If anything, I am in 3 sports. I'm a part of ASMC. I work at Einstein's. Various little things that amount to a really big community, very welcoming, and overall, just a very great experience, somewhere where you can be yourself truly. So yeah.
Hello, my name is Gutierrez. I am one of the student representatives of Monmouth College. I love Monmouth because of the various groups and organizations on campus that are very interactive, different, and unique in their own way, which together bring life and culture to campus. I love how Monmouth allows students to make Monmouth their home through these organizations, which together they build the Monmouth community.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Madhu and I am one of the student affairs representatives for ASMC. What I love most about Monmouth are the intercultural house and the theatre department, because both their students and their faculty have given me the opportunity to balance my academics with the things I love to do on campus every single day.